How to use a Temu coupon bundle by step. Want to get the biggest savings on Temu using a coupon bundle? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Temu coupon bundles to save money safely and easily. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful shopping tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to apply a Temu coupon bundle so you can maximize discounts on multiple products at once. Step 1. Open the Temu app or visit temu.com and log in to your account. Make sure your account is active because coupons only work for logged-in users. Step 2. Go to the Coupons and Credits section in the app. Here, you'll see all available coupon bundles. Coupon bundles usually include multiple discounts that can be used together or on selected items. Tap Activate on the bundle you want to use. Step 3. Browse Temu and add the eligible products to your cart. Each coupon in the bundle might have rules like minimum purchase, specific categories, or limited to new users. Check each coupon's conditions carefully. Step 4. When you're ready, go to your cart and proceed to checkout. In the checkout screen, you'll see the option to apply coupons. The coupons you activated from the bundle should appear automatically, or you may need to select them manually. Step 5. Verify that all the bundle coupons you want are applied. Your total should update to show the discounts from the bundle. If a coupon isn't applying, double-check that the items in your cart meet the coupon's requirements. Pro tip: some bundles give bigger savings when used together, so it's best to plan your purchase to use all eligible coupons at once. This ensures maximum discount without missing any savings. And that's it. Now you know how to use Temu coupon bundles to get the best deals on your orders. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Temu tips and shopping guides, and comment below if you want me to make a video on the latest working Temu coupon bundles for 2026.